Hi, I'm Rob Wilson, president of Employco USA. With me is Jason Eisenhut, our vice president of HR.
Hi, everyone.
Thanks for joining us for this week's HR chat. So, Jason, the Supreme Court recently upheld the Affordable Care Act.
Yeah. So what recently came down, decision 7-2, 7-4, 2 against, said there was an individual mandate that said everyone in the country, except if you're in prison or a Native American tribe, but basically all Americans had to have health insurance or else pay a penalty. But a couple of years ago, that penalty was changed to zero. So although everyone still should be having health insurance, there's zero penalty against it. So Texas and California and the federal government went to court. Is the individual mandate still a good part of the Affordable Care Act? And if it's not, it shouldn't be in there. Can we strike down the entire Affordable Care Act? And Supreme Court said no. The $0 penalty and the Affordable Care Act stays. It's an okay law. So business as usual from here on out.
Right. So just so everyone's clear, the law says you have to have health insurance, but if you don't have health insurance, there's zero penalty.
Right.
So there's
strange, yeah.
Right. Which combination makes no sense. But the rest of the Affordable Care Act, as far as businesses, it's business as usual. So There's really no changes from a corporate standpoint.
Right. So as a recap, in case you forgot, if you're a business with at least 50 full-time or full-time equivalent employees, so you're considered an applicable large employer. Mm-hmm. So if you have 50 employees or more, you have to offer health insurance to your employees, and you have to have it affordable to those employees. If you don't offer health insurance, you pay $2,700 per person as the penalty to not offer health insurance at all. But to make it affordable, your least expensive plan option, the employee only, should be employees should pay no more than 9.8% of their pay for that health option.
And it's 9.8% of their total family household income. So, which is interesting because it becomes hard for some businesses because you're not tracking off a W-2 income. So if you've got a spouse that's working or even high school kids, anybody, it's your household income, which is it makes it a little bit more challenging, but it's 9.8%. And now the fine, the $2,700 fine, they're still enforcing that. Right. And that's being enforced by the IRS, right?
Correct. Yeah. I mean, a couple of our clients that have consciously decided not to offer health insurance, maybe it's business reasons, maybe it's just money, but it's $2,700 per person per full-time employee. The first 30 employees are you get that free, but after 30, so if you have 150 employees, 30 you get for free. So you pay that $2,700 on 120 employees in this example.
Right. And is that every year?
Yeah, right.
So that's a tax every year. So
some employers are still choosing to go that route, but that might hurt them in the recruiting and retention part. But
so in this went all the way up to the Supreme Court. Are there still other lawsuits out there, or is this?
This was the big one that people were expecting to go as is, but there are none on the horizon that are as big as kind of a threat to the whole Affordable Care Act as this one would have been.
So business as usual for businesses across the country then at this point, right?
Yeah, but let us know if you have any questions about health insurance, Affordable Care Act. We're here to help. We kind of buy health insurance in bulk for a lot of our clients and get at discounted rates. But even outside of that, we can help with any HR or benefit questions. HR@employco.com is our email address.
Great. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.